Hi dear students. Let's see this question that came in KVPY 2016 essay physics paper. Now the printing of the question is not very good. I have taken this question from the official paper. So I'll read this for you. A stone thrown down with a speed u takes a time t1 to reach the ground, while another stone thrown upward from the same point with the same speed takes time t2. So I'll mark the useful variables. So this is u, this is t1, this is t2. Okay. The maximum height the second stone reaches from the ground. Options are half g t1 t2. So the first option is half g t1 t2. Second option is g by 8 t1 plus t2 का whole square. G by 8 t1 plus t2 का whole square. Third option is g by 8 t1 minus t2 का whole square. And the fourth option is half g t2 square. So these are the four options. Now let us quickly see what is happening in the question. Suppose this is the ground and this is some height which we can call h. So if we throw the stone from this height downwards with a speed u, so it reaches the ground in time t1. However, if we throw the stone upwards with the same speed u, then it reaches the ground in time t2. So we have to find this height. Like let's say this is the topmost point from the ground. So we have to find the height of point P from the ground. This is the question. Now, if you remember, then the motion of a like vertical motion under vertical gravity is symmetric. That means, suppose if you throw a stone upwards, then it will come back downwards. So the time it takes from to go from, let us say, ground from ground till here, let's say this time is t1. So coming back, when it will be coming back, so again it will be taking the same time from here the ground. It will be t1 only, right? So so same logic you can apply over here. So since this stone goes from this point till the ground in time t1, so we can say if it would have been thrown from the ground, then it would have reached this point in time t1 itself. That means what I'm saying, ki since this stone takes time t1 in going from height h to ground, so it would have taken the same time t1 if we would have thrown the stone from this point uh, such that it reaches this point at the speed u. Okay, so so we can understand that uh, from here till here the time is t1 and further it takes t2. So this total time of flight becomes t1 plus t2, if you understand total time of flight. So capital T can be thought of as t1 plus t2. Hence in reaching from bottom to top, the time will be t1 plus t2 by 2, right? Now it is very easy. You know this total capital H. So in going from top, like from ground to point P, it takes T1 plus T2 by 2. And from point P to ground, again, it takes T1 plus T2 by 2. So if you consider the motion from point P to the ground, so this H will become half G T1 plus T2 by 2 ka whole square, right? So this will become T1 plus T2 by 8 square into G. So G by 8 T1 plus T2 ka whole square. Option B will be the correct answer for this question. I hope you would have understood. Thank you.